Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be hold on. Look. Hold on. This is the ionization smoke alarm i9070. Oh, there's like an i9060, an i9040, and p9040. Oh, wait a minute. P9040 has these same test buttons. Does the hush button works? Let me find out. Yes, it works. Here, I'm testing for you. Okay, hold on. Here, wait just a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll try to test this out for you. And try to hush. Alright, I will show you the P9040. This is at my cousin's place, alright? Just showing y'all. In that lovely, nice battery drawer. Of course, chirps. Here. Now let me get the I'm sorry, not i9040, P9040, okay. The P9040 is photoelectric, alright? Oh, that's my baby cousins, if you see them.
Do I put in the network key or the WPS?
Now, convertering. That says Kidde right here. Okay, so see the hush button won't work. This is the hush button, so see. Shut it. This one has a hush button. Oh, because well, like I said, this is a little smaller guy. This one's a little bigger. I may try to get one of these at the Walgreens, maybe. They cost like $25. And let me ask you this. Oh, and this one looks like the Fire-X. There's actually a hardwired design, but it has a beeper faster code like the when I hardwired my Fire-X. So I have the Fire-X in here too, and convert different size to make. All right. I'll put the battery in then for my there. Alright. So yeah, this one. Oh, let me see if I can get the LD. Yep. Nah, not working. Now see, the light unfortunately does this. Doesn't do the fire like the Fire-X does this. See, this one don't do that, but the hardwired design does it. That's kind of interesting. And the battery drawers, of course, are different. It's hard sometimes if I do it with my camera. And just do it on this one, just. Sorry, y'all. My neighbor's wanting to know the Wi-Fi password. And, you know. Oh, wait. This one's a little weird. Oh, it won't chirp. Yep, it chirped. It chirped just a second ago before I recorded it. Alright, hang on. This is the one at my cousin's house. I made a video the other day. I just wanted to show y'all. This is the one right here. And I will, well, the battery's mine in here, alright? The battery's right there. Came from that old detector down. Flipped over me. course, that battery don't work, but so I put it in.
Now what I do?
This battery. This is long. Don't be mad, alright?
Heck yeah. Hell yeah.
What? Sorry, my nanny has a party mouth. And you know she is like a cussing thing. Oh, Cubby, you bet that's sweet.
Oh, I just canceled it. Oh no, I couldn't have done that. How did I do that?
Now.
Oh, this is crazy. I'm not going through all that again.
Alright, this upside down, I'm so sorry, but sorry, I just have to get up and I'm gonna try to show you this.
No, I just
I mean, not show you this, I'm gonna put it up there for you. There you go. Of course, it don't work. Let's see. I don't know why that's so loosey. Yep. Alright. That'll be in the video. Bye.